Hello and welcome to Saurashtra's classes. Today we are going to discuss about Mensa and its IQ test. आप सबको पता है कि हम एक ऐसे दौर से गुजर रहे हैं जहाँ पे हर चीज़ डिवाइडेड है इन द नेम ऑफ रिलीजन कास्ट एंड रेस एंड द प्योर इंटेलिजेंस डज नॉट गेट इट्स फुल वैल्यू. Only Mensa has the aim to create a society that is non-political and free from all the racial and religious distinction. Mensa was founded in the year of 1946 in England by Ronald Beryl, a barrister, and Dr. Lance Ware, a scientist and a lawyer. They had the idea of forming a society for bright people, the only qualification for membership of which was a high IQ. The original aims were as they are today to create a society that is non-political and free from all racial and religious distinction. The society welcomes people from every walk of life whose IQ is in the top 2 percentile of the population, with the objective of learning from each other, discussing and participating in a wide range of social and cultural activities. मेंसा का मतलब जो है लैटिन में इट इज मीन्स टेबल. मतलब कि मेंसा इज अ राउंड टेबल सोसाइटी जहाँ पे हर एक रेस, कलर, क्रीड, नेशनल, एज, पॉलिटिक्स, एजुकेशन, सोशल बैकग्राउंड कुछ भी रिलेवेंट नहीं है. सब लोग यहाँ पर एक है. जिनके पास हाई आईक्यू है वही इस सोसाइटी का एक मेंबर बन सकता है. The main goal of Mensa is to identify and foster human intelligence for the benefit of humanity, to encourage research in nature, characteristic and uses of intelligence, and to promote stimulating intellectual and social opportunities for its members. Today, there are over 140,000 mentions in 100 countries throughout the world. There are active national Mensa organizations in more than 50 countries on every continent except Antarctica. So that much spread Mensa has in the today's world, कि जहाँ पे उनके पास करीब 1,40,000 मेंबर्स है अक्रॉस दी 100 कंट्रीज वर्ल्ड वाइड. और एक्टिव जो मेंबर्स है और एक्टिव ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस जो है वो भी करीब 50 से ऊपर देशों में ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस क्रिएट किया गया है. और सिर्फ अंटार्कटिका को छोड़ के बाकी हर एक कॉन्टिनेंट पे आपको मेंशंस मिलेंगे. Mention take no stand on political, religion, or social issues. The only main opinion of Mensa is intellectuality and intelligence. Mensa has members from so many different countries and cultures that with a different point of view, that for Mensa to espouse a particular point of view would go against his role as a forum for its as a forum for all point of views. So there is a say that in a room with 12 mentions, you will get at least 13 different point of views. So this is a say, and you will understand by this that they do not have a particular point of view on anything in any political issue or religion or any social issue. There is a cluster of different point of views, and this is the specialty of this organization. To qualify for Mensa, you have to appear for a IQ test, and only the upper 2 percentile of the general population approved for their membership, and there is no other qualification required for the initial membership eligibility. पर हमारे हमारे कंट्री में जो आईक्यू टेस्ट होते हैं वो डिफरेंट स्केल में जो है उनका स्कोरिंग किया जाता है, तो इसके लिए कोई पर्टिकुलर आईक्यू टेस्ट के लिए अगर किसी को 138 मिलता है और दूसरे किसी आईक्यू टेस्ट में किसी का स्कोर अगर 148 होता है, तो उन दोनों को हम इक्विवेलेंट कैसे सोचेंगे। तो इस कॉन्फ्यूजन को अवॉइड करने के लिए मेंशा जो है वो सिर्फ परसेंटाइल के ऊपर जोर देते हैं एंड परसेंटाइल को ही चुनते हैं एज अ परसेंटाइल को चुनते हैं टू क्रिएट द रिजल्ट। Candidates for membership of Mensa must achieve a score at or above the 98th percentile on a standard test of intelligence, that is a score that is greater than that achieved by 98% of general population taking the examination. Now we are going to talk about the benefits to be a Mensans. Mensa has a intellectual resource that is called National Mind Magazine. In local emails or WhatsApp groups and at local national and international conventions, you will get this magazine. Whatever your passion, they are almost certain to a special interest group or SIG, abbreviated as SIG, filled with other Mensans who share it. Mensa worldwide offers approximately 200 SIGs in mind-blogging profusion, from African violets to zoology. Along the way, you will find microbiology and system analysis, but you will also find Sherlock Holmes, chocolate, and Star Trek. Mensa members find opportunities to contribute to the betterment of society through voluntary work, and they have two programs called Dhruv and Nurturing Program and the Tribal Mensa Nurturing Program. To join Mensa, you have to appear for the supervised Mensa India entrance test. It is conducted in Pune, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Delhi, Kolkata, and Chennai currently. Once found eligible in the above test, one can submit an application form and other documents and pay the membership fees. One may reappear for the entrance test if the result letter specifically invites the aspirants after the date mentioned on the letter. And Minsha uh, does not test applicants below the age of 10 years. So these are the steps to join Mensa. You have to appear for the entrance test, and it is conducted in most of the large cities in India, that is Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai. And once you found eligible in the test, that is qualifying in the top 2 percentile, you will have to submit the application form together with the documents and the membership fees. But your age must be below 10 years. Sorry, above 10 years. The membership fees for registration is 500. The annual membership fees is also 500, and this expires on March 31st of the calendar year following the one in which membership was taken. Sorry. And for the 5-year membership, it is 2500. And this expires on March 31st of the 5th calendar year following the one in which membership was taken. Now, we Soros's classes are always there for you to help you to find the right way in which you can grow from a seed to a tree. You have profound mentors. We have profound mentors from a great experience in academics and also in industries. They can help you to build a better future for you. We have personalized mentorship sessions where you can share your doubts to us, and we will come back with a drastic answer to you. To contact us, you can mail us at sauravsarsclasses@gmail.com, or you can call us at 9836793076 or 9874822756. To check our website, please Google and type sauravsarsclasses.com. So इसी के साथ आज का ये डिस्कशन यहाँ पर ही खत्म होता है. आई थिंक ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स आउट देयर gain the full clarification about this organization and its entrance or IQ test. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. My name is Anand Pal and now I am signing out. Thank you very much.